Here I'm going to speak today's fact. Today's fact is Muga culture is endemic to erstwhile Assam is the largest producers of mugasilk in the world. The mugasilk is well known for its rarity, extreme durability, and traditionally woven by Assamese weavers. The Swalkasi is the center of the Assam silk industry. The skilled weavers make a great reputation for this industry that we can Swalkasi is the silk haven of India. The Muga silk is too expensive due to its rarity, labor intensive, and the skill process of extracting the thread from silkworm. The current value of Muga silk is above 40,000 per kg. And Assam got GI tag for Muga silk in 2007. It is used to make Mekhela chador, traditional Mekhela chador, Muga riha, kurta, gamosa, etc. International fashion designers utilize this Muga silk to make different types of luxurious garments like kurta, jackets, gowns, etc. Particularly in Japan, they use this Muga silk to make their traditional dresses, kimono. And Muga silk is considered one of the most rarest silk in the world. So, as an Assamese people, we have to feel proud that we have this Muga silk and this is our traditional attire. Thank you. Have a good day.